Hello, everybody. This is Leo, patiently waiting. He sees me in the kitchen and it's about lunchtime, so he's waiting to eat. Leo, do you have anything to say to your viewers? I'm hungry. Uh-oh, he sees and hears something outside. Hi, Leo. Hi. Say something, buddy. Oh, he's walking away, guys. Oh, no, he's circling. He's stretching. Now he saw a car. Storm is over here waiting patiently. Storm. Hi. Hi, my buddy. Hi. Say hi. There he is, folks. There's Storm. Say hi. You hungry? Ready to eat? Everybody give a thumbs up if you think he's ready to eat. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos as Camelio, the chameleon, is shedding. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.